Hi guys, welcome back to my channel English in a Blink, and today I'm going to look at need. What exactly I'm going to look at need? What is it going to be about? Okay, so it's going to be about how exactly can you use your need to or don't need to or needn't have and needn't do. Okay, so all these structure, is there any difference, is what we're going to be looking at. All right, because one of the students asked me, oh, when can I say I needn't have or I didn't need to? So then I thought, oh, why not? I'll just go and explain it to all of you as well. Maybe there's a confusion, maybe not, but whatever. All right. Okay. So when you say I need to, okay, so I need to go 2 hours before my flight arrives. Okay, so I need to go to airport 2 hours before. So when you're saying I need to, that means it tells you it gives you an idea that something which is necessary for you to do, right? I need to do this. Or if I say, oh, I don't need to, someone, you're going outside and you say, oh, give me my jacket. Oh, you don't need to take your jacket. It's quite hot today. So something which is not necessary, don't need to. All right, so you can use your need to, don't need to for things which like general things as well. Okay, or you can also use, like I said, you don't need to take your jacket today for something very specific, just for this time, just this occasion. All right, so this was not very general. I'm just saying you don't need to take your jacket today because it's sunny. Okay, now this was about need to and don't need to. Now we have another structure which is needn't. Okay, so when you say we needn't lock the car, or if I'm, you come to my place and you say you were locking, oh, you needn't lock the car. Nobody steals in this village. Okay, so needn't, and then you're using your infinitive without to. So when can I use this? Can I use this for general things? Nope. Okay, so this structure, you needn't lock the car. Nobody steals in this village. You can only use this structure for something which is very specific. Okay, so just this time, I mean, I can't say you needn't lock the car in general, can I? Come on. You have to book, right? You have to lock your car, and you know that. So when you want to say something very specific, you needn't lock the car. Nobody is going to steal here. Okay, so that's when you can use your needn't infinitive without to. All right, now there's another structure. All right, so I'll give you 2 sentences. Listen carefully. Okay, your wife, she says, all right, let's go for dinner tonight. Okay, you say, all right, okay, and then she is insisting, come on, book a table. You never know, I mean, if we'll go there and when we have to wait, and what if we don't get a table? But you're like, nah, forget it. I'm sure we will get a table. So you did not book the table. All right, and then you went there and you say, oh, look, we didn't need to book. The restaurant is empty, right? We didn't need to book. Now, when you say we didn't need to book, that gives you an idea. It wasn't necessary. That's why. I mean, it doesn't, that's why you didn't book. All right, you may have booked or we may not have booked, but in this particular occasion, you know that you did not book because now you're thinking, oh, we don't need to book. Look, the restaurant is empty. Okay, now let's say your wife was actually pestering you. Come on, book it, book it, book it. So you're like, okay, you called and you booked the table. Now, when again you came to the restaurant, what would you say? Oh, come on, we needn't have booked. Look, the restaurant is empty. Do you see the difference? So in the first one, when I say we didn't need to book, it's not clear. But we know in this occasion it is very clear that we didn't need to book because we did not book. We know the context. But when you say we didn't need to book, it doesn't give you a clear picture. I mean, we may have booked, we might not have booked, but it's not clear. But when I'm saying we needn't have booked, look, the restaurant is empty, that gives you an idea that you booked, but now you think it wasn't necessary. So it's like a regret. Why the hell did I go through all that pain? Okay, so when you're using needn't, have and past participle, that structure you use when you did something and after that you realize that it wasn't required, it wasn't necessary. All right. So need to, don't need to, when you want to talk about something which is necessary or unnecessary. It could be something general, it could be something specific as well. But when you say needn't and then infinitive form of the word without to, like you needn't lock the car, this structure you can only use for specific things. All right. When you say I didn't need to book, this one again, you might have booked, you might not have booked. It is not clear. But when you say I needn't have booked, it's very clear. You booked it and then you realized it wasn't necessary at all. So that's all about need that you need to know. And like I always say, if you like the lesson, you don't have to do much. Press that like button, subscribe, spread the word, share it with your friends. Until we meet next time, bye for now.